Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Asad Amin, lecturer in physics, Government Degree Boys College, Jungle Shah. Regarding Sindh College Lectures YouTube channel, I would like to deliver you a lecture on topic galvanometer from chapter number 15. I hope you will find this lecture interesting and informative. Objective. After listening this lecture, you will be able to understand what is galvanometer, principle of working, types of galvanometer, construction and working, mathematical expression, and sensitivity of galvanometer. Introduction. Galvanometer is a basic electric instrument used for the detection or measurement of a small amount of currents. Principle. The basic principle of galvanometer is that when a current flows in a rectangular coil placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a magnetic torque. Types of galvanometer. The first type of galvanometer is called D'Arsonval galvanometer. In this type, a coil is suspended by a thin phosphor bronze strip. One end of the wire of the coil is soldered to a strip, the other end of the strip is fixed to frame of the galvanometer and is connected to an external terminal. It serves as one terminal. The other end of the wire of the coil is soldered to a loose and soft spiral wire connected to another external terminal. It serves as other terminal. The second type of galvanometer is Western type galvanometer, and in this type the coil, instead of being suspended by a strip, is pivoted between two jewel bearings. The controlling torque is provided by two hair springs, one on either side of coil and curling in the opposite sense. The ends of the coil are connected one to each spring. The hair spring thus also serves as terminals. Construction. The construction of galvanometer is based on U-shaped permanent magnet with cylindrical concave pole pieces. A flat rectangular coil of thin enamel insulated copper wire is wound on a light non-magnetic frame. A soft iron cylinder is fixed in the core of the coil to enhance the force on the conductor. A mirror M. A lamp and scale arrangement to measure current. Working. When a current passes through the galvanometer coil, it experiences a magnetic deflecting torque which tends to rotate it from its rest position. As the coil rotates, it produces a twist in the suspension strip or hair springs. The twist in the strip produces an elastic restoring torque. The coil rotates until the elastic restoring torque does not equal and cancel the deflecting magnetic torque, and then it attains equilibrium and stops rotating any further. In radial magnetic field, the plane of the coil is always parallel to the field irrespective of the position the coil rotates. So alpha, the angle between the plane of the coil and of the field, is always 0. Now you can see this in the diagram, where the field which is produced inside the concave pole pieces of magnet is a radial magnetic field. Mathematical expression. When a coil is moving in a magnetic field, the deflecting magnetic torque is given by tau d is equals to BINA cos alpha, which is our equation number 1, whereas tau d represents deflecting magnetic torque, B or capital B is the strength of the magnetic field, I current in the coil, A area of the coil, N number of turns in the coil, and alpha the angle of deflection of the coil. Now deflecting torque is equals to BINA. Since alpha is equals to 0 degree and cos 0 is 1, therefore the equation of deflecting torque equals to BINA, which is our equation number 2. The restoring elastic torque is proportional to the angle of twist of the suspension strip, provided it obeys Hooke's law. The restoring elastic torque is proportional to theta. So the restoring torque is given as C theta, which is our equation number 3, whereas tau r represent restoring elastic torque, theta the angle of twist of suspension strip, and C is the torque per unit twist of the suspension strip. For equilibrium, deflecting magnetic torque is equals to restoring elastic torque. So now tau d is equals to tau r. For equation 2 and 3, BINA is equals to C theta. I is equals to C theta upon BAN. C, B, N and A are constant, so I is proportional to theta. Thus, the current through the coil is directly proportional to the angle of twist of suspension strip. Sensitivity. Deflection per unit current is called sensitivity. Sensitivity can be defined mathematically as theta upon I is equals to BAN upon C. C couple per unit twist can be decreased to increased sensitivity.